Top 100 codes using C. 3. Sum of first n natural numbers. Method 1. Iterative way. First, I create a variable sum and initialize it to 0. Then I run a for loop from 1 to n. In each iteration, I add the current value of I to sum. Finally, after the loop terminates, I print the value of sum. Let's walk through this code. First, we include the stdio.h library to handle input and output. In the main function, we declare an integer n to store the number of iterations. We take input from the user using scanf, where they enter a value for n. Next, we initialize another integer sum to 0, which will hold the running total. Then we run a for loop that starts at 1 and goes up to n. In each iteration, we add the current value of I to sum. The line sum plus equals I is just a shorthand for writing sum equals sum plus I. After the loop finishes, we print the value of sum using printf. For example, if you input 2, the loop will run twice, adding 1 and 2, resulting in a sum of 3. If you input 5, the loop will add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the final sum will be 15. Method 2. Direct formula. To find the sum of the first and natural numbers, we can use the formula sum equals n times n plus 1 divided by 2. First, we set a variable called sum to 0, then we apply the formula. For any input n, this gives us the result in constant time, and we print the sum. In this C program, we are calculating the sum of the first and natural numbers using a simple formula. We declare an integer n and take the user's input using scanf. Next, we calculate the sum using the formula n times n plus 1 divided by 2 and store the result in the variable sum. For example, if the user inputs 3, the sum is 3 times open parenthesis. 3 plus 1 close parenthesis divided by 2 equals 6. If the user inputs 5, the sum is 5 times 5 plus 1 divided by 2 equals 15. In the next video, we will see how to find the largest of the two numbers in C. Like, share, subscribe for Limitless Bingo for next videos.